What's up guys? Imagine that you're looking for a good laptop for everyday light usage that have great screen, a good build quality, a touch screen, a stylus and a good enough battery life, and you only got $400 on you. Then what? Most of the laptops from the likes of Microsoft and Apple usually cost you around 1000 plus dollars. This is where this laptop comes in. We are looking at the Chuwi Hi10 Max, a 2-in-1 laptop that aims to balance affordability and functionality. Priced at just $375 for this exact version that I ordered, it offers a near 3K display. And yes, I said near 3K, not 1080p. 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and an Intel 12th gen processor. On top of that, with my exclusive coupon mentioned in the video description, you can get it for just $337, making it even more appealing. So let's break down what it offers and where it stands out. Opening the notebook box, you shall find a 36-watt power adapter with Type-C output, a user manual, and finally enclosed in white foam for extra protection, the Hi10 Max notebook itself. The screen has a plastic sheet applied with common instructions on it, which you shall need to peel off. Once removed, you are greeted with a beautiful minimal bezel screen. The kickstand is already attached to the device, but it can be removed if needed as it is a magnetic kickstand. Next up, the stylus box includes a user manual, a well-designed stylus made of metal, although I'm not sure about the exact metal. I think it is aluminium plus magnesium. I'm not sure though. With a color that closely matches the notebook. It also comes with a quadruple A battery, which is pre-installed in the stylus. But remember, you need to remove the plastic separator between the battery and the stylus to start working. Finally, the keyboard box contains the keyboard wrapped in a plastic foam on the top for its protection. Overall, I would say that Chuwi has paid attention to the unboxing experience, ensuring that everything arrives in a good condition and chances of damage are minimal. Design-wise, the Hi10 Max features a square body with a matte space gray finish and a metal unibody design. It feels solid and durable while maintaining a lightweight profile at just 780 grams and only 9 mm thick. It is equipped with a kickstand which is adjustable at different angles. Although I would say I would have preferred a built-in kickstand like Surface Go, but given the price, I think it's fine. In terms of ports, the device includes two Type-C ports with power delivery, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, a 3.5 mm audio jack, and a micro HDMI port for connecting it to external displays. Now let's talk about its display. I think the near 13-inch IPS display is the main highlight of this device and something I think I like the most about this device. With a resolution of 2880 by 920, which is almost 3K, the visuals are sharp and detailed, making it great for productivity and media consumption. The 300 nits of brightness, I would say, is adequate for most indoor use, although I would have preferred it to be more than 300, as 300 is not enough for the outdoor use. Another neat thing about this display is its 3:2 aspect ratio. The 3:2 aspect ratio gives you extra vertical space for tasks like document editing or browsing. 3:2 aspect ratio is still rare on laptops, but I think it is a better ratio than the standard 16:9 ratio, and I always prefer it. Protection wise, the display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, although I'm not sure about the exact generation of the Corning Gorilla Glass, but looking at it, I think it looks strong enough. Performance wise, under the hood, the Hi10 Max is powered by the 12th gen Intel Alder Lake N100 processor, featuring 4 cores and 4 threads with a turbo frequency of up to 3.4 GHz. This chip, built on a 10 nanometer process, is efficient and capable of handling everyday tasks like document editing, video streaming, and light multitasking, which is, by the way, the targeted audience of this device. The device also comes with 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. I like that it is an LPDDR5, not an older generation. And it also has a 512 GB SSD, which I think is plenty for the everyday users and targeted audience of this device. Again, I would like to point out here that while these specs are solid for general productivity, this laptop is not aimed at heavy tasks like video editing or gaming. It is best suited for lighter workflows. So please keep that in mind when evaluating this device. Now let's talk about the keyboard, trackpad and stylus. The magnetic keyboard attaches and detaches easily and features full-size chiclet keys with 3 levels of backlight brightness, making it more convenient to use in different lighting conditions. I was actually surprised that the keyboard even had a backlight, as honestly I was not expecting it in this price range. The typing experience is comfortable with a satisfactory key travel distance. The trackpad is also surprisingly smooth and very responsive, especially given the price of this device. I would say that not just the functionality, but the keyboard looks good too. The Hi10 H7 stylus offers 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is great for sketching, note taking, and annotating documents. While it is not a pro level stylus in any way, it adds significant value for creativity and productivity tasks. The device includes an 8 megapixel rear autofocus camera and a 5 megapixel front facing camera. And I think these cameras are more than enough for your casual use like video calls or scanning documents. I know many laptops even at higher prices come with a 2 megapixel front camera. So I'm happy that this device is equipped with 5 megapixel front camera. Battery wise, the 36.48 watt hour battery delivers up to 5 hours of battery life for everyday tasks like browsing and streaming. While this isn't exceptional, I think it is reasonable given the price and form factor. For longer usage though, I would recommend you to keep the charger or a power bank with you. Now to sum it up, I think the Chuwi Hi10 Max offers a solid value at its price point. I mean, it has a near 3K display, 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM. Many laptops still come with 8 GB of RAM, so 12 GB is a welcome surprise. And it is also LPDDR5. It has a metal unibody design. It is lightweight. It is 2-in-1. Its keyboard has a backlight brightness, which I didn't expect. It has a stylus support. I mean, what more can you ask at this price? At just $375, and that is without using my coupon. And with my coupon, you can actually get it for just $337. I think at this price, this device is a steal. So for those looking for an affordable, versatile 2-in-1 device, I think this is definitely worth considering. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on the Hi10 Max in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye.